Our journey to luxury begins deep within the earth, extracting the raw materials that fuel innovation. The journey of the SuperTruck II begins with raw power, forged in the heart of a steel mill. Precision robotics mark the very beginnings of SuperTruck II's extraordinary journey. The journey of luxury begins as raw materials head to the SuperTruck II factory. The journey of precision engineering begins with raw steel, carefully prepared for transformation. With immense force, the chassis rail takes its foundational form. Advanced laser technology meticulously crafts each SuperTruck component with unparalleled precision. Every precision-cut rail exemplifies the SuperTruck II's commitment to superior structural integrity. Robotic precision begins forging the backbone of tomorrow's luxury SuperTruck. Automated systems ensure every component is perfectly aligned for superior structural integrity. Each robotic weld is meticulously inspected, guaranteeing exceptional strength and durability. Witness the symphony of automation, where cutting-edge technology crafts automotive excellence. Intricate parts receive the same meticulous attention, ensuring structural perfection throughout. Expert hands meticulously forge the SuperTruck's integrity, ensuring every joint meets the highest standard. Advanced technology ensures every weld point meets stringent safety and performance requirements. With precision verified, the SuperTruck II chassis advances, a testament to unwavering quality. Precision engineering comes to life as skilled hands carefully craft the heart of future power. Advanced machinery, guided by expert hands, ensures every component meets uncompromising standards. With expert care, these meticulously crafted components prepare for integration into the SuperTruck's advanced powertrain. Precision engineering begins, transforming raw material into the heart of a SuperTruck. Coolant streams ensure precision, keeping every cut clean and true. Bit by bit, the engine's power core takes its magnificent form. Skilled hands meticulously connect the complex wiring for the SuperTruck II's advanced hybrid powertrain. Every connection is vital, ensuring flawless performance for extreme luxury and power. Teamwork and meticulous attention to detail define the SuperTruck II production. Each wire, precisely routed and secured, contributes to unmatched vehicle integrity. The SuperTruck II's hybrid unit takes shape, a masterpiece of engineering. Precision engineering ensures every SuperTruck II is built to perfection. Precision craftsmanship begins with the very first layer of composite material. Each subsequent layer is meticulously placed, building the strength and form of the SuperTruck II's components. Vacuum bagging ensures optimal resin distribution and a strong, lightweight composite structure. The finished carbon fiber front fascia emerges, a testament to advanced engineering and artisanal skill. The SuperTruck II cab shell enters the automated paint booth for its meticulous, multi-stage finish. After the base coat, the cab shell moves to receive protective layers of clear coat. The multi-layered clear coat protects and amplifies the truck's signature deep metallic finish. Every stitch a testament to precision, shaping the luxurious heart of the SuperTruck II. Such dedication ensures the SuperTruck II's interior meets the highest standards of luxury. The meticulous craft ensures unparalleled comfort and elegance for the driver. Precision engineering defines every SuperTruck II component. Skilled hands ensure flawless integration. Every connection is secured with expert care. Advanced technology, meticulously crafted. Precision engineering defines every component of this advanced machine. Skilled artisans meticulously prepare the SuperTruck II's foundation for its heart.
On the starboard side.
Every element aligns with unparalleled accuracy, a testament to American craftsmanship.
Looks good.
Easy now, bring it down 5 centimeters. Steady.
Copy that. Watching the clearance on the manifold.
The SuperTruck II cab descends, ready to unite with its powerful chassis, a moment of precision engineering.
Keep it coming down.
With meticulous care, the two halves of the SuperTruck II finally become one, a monumental step in its creation.
Look at that shine.
The ruby red is flawless.
Another masterpiece completed.
Every bolt and connection is meticulously secured, ensuring the truck's ultimate integrity and performance. Every millimeter matters. Precision is paramount in crafting automotive perfection. From the smallest seam to the boldest curve, every detail must be flawlessly executed. Approved and impeccable, the SuperTruck II moves closer to its grand debut. Every SuperTruck II undergoes rigorous monsoon chamber testing for ultimate water resistance. Powerful jets simulate extreme weather, ensuring no detail is overlooked. Hydraulic rams engage, initiating the rigorous chassis twisting sequence. Advanced sensors capture every millimeter of flex, ensuring ultimate structural integrity. Every test phase ensures the SuperTruck II exceeds the highest standards of durability. The chassis twisting test concludes, certifying the SuperTruck II's exceptional resilience. The SuperTruck's hybrid powertrain is unleashed, pushing the boundaries of power and efficiency. Every metric is scrutinized, confirming the SuperTruck's extraordinary performance capabilities. Power surges through the SuperTruck, a symphony of engineering excellence. The SuperTruck II stands victorious, its performance validated, ready for the next phase. On the private test track, the SuperTruck II undergoes rigorous performance evaluations. Agility testing reveals the SuperTruck II's surprising maneuverability. Every maneuver confirms its superior handling and precise control. Every surface of the SuperTruck II undergoes meticulous hand finishing, ensuring absolute perfection. The iconic SuperTruck II badge is precisely affixed, marking its distinguished identity. The SuperTruck II glides forward, an icon of innovation and luxury. Every detail, meticulously crafted, speaks to unparalleled quality. Precision logistics begin as the SuperTruck II prepares for its grand departure. Each detail meticulously overseen, ensuring a flawless journey for unparalleled luxury. The SuperTruck II stands revealed, a testament to unparalleled luxury and automotive excellence.